Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Canva to create a downloadable brand style guide, detailed guide step by step clear. Open Canva and sign in to your account. Click on the search bar and type brand style guide. Select the template that best fits your brand's needs. Once the template opens, start by customizing the brand name at the top. Next, upload your brand logo by clicking on the Uploads tab. Drag and drop your logo onto the canvas where it fits best. Choose your primary brand colors by clicking on the color swatches in the template. You can enter hex codes if you have specific brand colors. Add secondary colors by selecting additional color blocks in the template. Next, input your chosen brand fonts in the designated text boxes. Select font styles that resonate with your brand personality. Incorporate imagery that reflects your brand's essence by utilizing the Elements tab. You can search for graphics, illustrations, and photos to enhance your style guide. If your brand has specific imagery guidelines, clarify those in a separate text placeholder. Review the layout and ensure all elements align symmetrically. Once satisfied, click on the Share button located in the top right corner. Select the Download option from the drop-down menu. Choose the file type you prefer for your style guide, such as PDF or PNG. Adjust any necessary settings, like transparency or page ranges. Finally, click on the Download button to save it to your device. Now your downloadable brand style guide is ready for sharing and use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.